This time we have natural logarithms. Because on the left side of the equation I have difference of two natural logarithms. That's why I'm going to use the property for the log of the quotient. Keep in mind that we apply exactly the same properties for the natural log. So I can rewrite the left side of my equation as natural log x plus 5 over 4 equals ln of x. Because I have natural logs on both sides of the equation, I can simply take them out and rewrite this problem as x plus 5 over 4 is equal x. Next, I have to solve this equation for x. In order to solve this equation for x, I have to eliminate the denominator. I have to multiply both sides of this equation by 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out. And I have x plus 5 is equal 4x. Next, I have to move this x to the right side. I have to combine the like terms. 5 equals 4x minus x. 5 equals 4x minus x is equal 3x. In order to find value of x, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to x divided by 3. 3 and 3 will cancel out. I have x equals 5 over 3. This is the solution to my problem, but check if this is correct solution. Now we're supposed to replace every single x in the original equation by 5 over 3. So I'm going to have ln 5 over 3 plus 5 minus ln 4 equals natural log of 5 over 3. I have natural log 5 over 3 plus common denominator for fraction 5 over 1 is going to be 3. So if I multiply 1 by 3, I have to also multiply numerator by 3. That's why I'm going to have 15 in the numerator minus natural log of 4 equals natural log of 5 over 3. This is natural log of 20 over 3 minus natural log of 4 natural log 5 over 3. I'm supposed to use the properties of logarithms because I have difference of two logarithms. I'm supposed to use the property for log of quotient. And I'm going to have natural log 20 over 3 over 4 is equal natural log of 5 over 3. I'm dividing fractions, so I'm going to convert denominator also to fraction, 4 over 1. So I have to keep in mind that I have logs on both sides. I can take them out at this moment. So I'm going to have 20 over 3. Division I have to change to the multiplication, and I'm going to have times 1 over 4 equals 5 over 3. 20 and 4 can be reduced, and I have 20 divided by 4 is 5 over 3. 1 divided by 1 is 1, that's why I'm not going to write it, is equal 5 over 3. As you can see, the left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. That's why x equals 5 over 3 is the solution to my problem.